Hey puzzler, happy 77th India Independence Day. Can you solve this Independence Day puzzle? Give it a try, comment your answer. Let's start with the solution. Let's honor those today who have given everything for the sake of our nation. In the first row, we have Ashok Chakra plus a kid holding a flag plus Ashok Chakra, which is equal to 50. In the second row, we have hand with a flag, which is equal to 27. In the third row, we have Ashok Chakra minus flag multiplied by kids with a flag, which is equal to question mark. We have to find the answer. The solution for this puzzle is, this is straightforward, the second row. This flag multiplied by flag multiplied by flag. So this is 3 multiplied by 3, 9 multiplied by 3 is equal to 27. So this flag value is 3. In the first row, if we look at the Ashok Chakra, we have 24 lines. Let's count this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. Let's conclude that this value is 24 and 24, which is 48. So 50 minus 48 is equal to 2. So kid with a flag value is 2. We have 3 into 2, which is 6, and this is 24. So 24 minus 6, which is equal to 18. Hope you have enjoyed this puzzle solution.
Please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to Payazee channel. Happy Independence Day! Thank you. Bye bye.